Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your website with Google's latest algorithm updates. And trust me, you need it because Google's algorithms change more than often than New Yorkers change their socks. So here's the scoop. Search engines like Google are like your nosy Aunt Mildred, always trying to improve and serving up the best possible search results. And they update more frequently than Aunt Mildred's gossip about the neighbors. Now, these updates can make your website's SEO rankings do the cha-cha. So to keep up, you gotta stay in the know and make some tweaks. It's like keeping up with the latest fashion trends, but for your website. One of the most recent updates is all about user experience. Google's all about websites that are mobile friendly and load faster than a squirrel on a caffeine high. So, make sure your website looks good on mobile and invest in hosting that doesn't move slower than tourists in Times Square. Now, high quality content is like the secret sauce of SEO. Google loves websites that serve up the good stuff, like a New York Daily serving pastrami sandwiches. So whip up some engaging articles, videos, and infographics that are more entertaining than a stand-up comedian at a comedy cellar. Now, let's chat about keywords. These little rascals determine your website's visibility. It's like a game of hide and seek with Google. Do your homework and sprinkle those relevant keywords in your meta tags, headlines, and content. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for Google to find you. Next up, building backlink is the name of the game, buddy. But it's not a numbers game. Quality over quantity, folks. Get cozy with the big shots in the industry and snag some high quality backlink. It's like getting invited to the fanciest party in town. Last but not least, don't forget the importance of social media. Sharing your content on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn is like throwing a wild block party. Get social and convince your audience to spread your awesome content like it's the juiciest neighborhood gossip. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be an SEO wizard, and Google's algorithm updates will be no match for you. So get out there and rock the SEO world, you SEO expert, you.